Jeff's going to show us what's going on with the front hood on the Maserati Indy.
Right, yeah, so you can see here that this is the original damage here. What had happened, there's these trapped layers. It's a 3-layer hood.
Rotted right through there, yeah.
Yeah, they filled it with foam at some point in time, and it just held all that moisture, and it just bled through and ate up the
And this is new repair, right?
Yes.
And over here, this
will go into the corners, yes.
So we're going to make pieces to wrap around the side?
Yes, and then we'll coat all the inside that gets trapped out, and everything rust inhibiting we can put in there, put it all back together, and it'll be good for decades.
And this is our old material here?
Yes.
So here we've got what's been cut off. And see, some of this is in pretty bad shape. And Rick's holding the hood. And so you can see the hood itself is good, but if we move in close on the edges, you can see where water had been trapped and it's been rusting. So it's very timely that we're fixing it, so we're not having to rebuild the outer structure, just this comparatively smaller repair on the inside here. So that is the news on the Maserati Indy, and the rest of the body is right here. So we're in the final stages of metal work on this car.